Multipro Machines proudly introduces the brake lathe with quick shift spindle mechanism, launched for the first time in the market. A powerful innovation that allows the operator to switch from disc cutting to drum cutting without opening the machine. Simply rotate the spindle and continue working. Right now, you can see the disc resurfacing operation in progress. The machine is taking a precise uniform cut on both sides of the disc, removing thickness variation completely. It works vibration-free, so there is no need to remove and reverse the disc again and again. High precision, smooth performance, and many more smart features built for professionals. Now, let us show you the heart of this innovation. The quick shift spindle mechanism. In traditional brake lathes, switching from disc to drum is time-consuming. You need to open the shaft box, remove the spindle, change its side, adjust the tool bit, reposition the shaft, align everything, and tighten again. That means more time, more labor, more chances of misalignment. But with quick shift spindle mechanism, all of that is eliminated. Just loosen the spindle, rotate it, and tighten it back. That's it. You save time, you maintain accuracy, you reduce dependency on highly skilled labor, and you increase workshop productivity instantly. Now, after rotating the shaft using the quick shift spindle mechanism, we are ready for drum resurfacing. You can clearly see the drum being resurfaced smoothly, completely vibration-free. The machine allows you to operate on auto feed mode, so there is no need for manual cutting adjustments. For ultra-precision work, you can use the micro adjustment lever to take micro cuts with absolute control. It is also equipped with an auto stop function for safety and consistency. And yes, all required tools are provided along with the machine. Multipro brake lathe with quick shift spindle mechanism. Engineered for speed, precision, and smart workshops. Multipro Machines offers 24/7 customer support, worldwide logistics, and a 1-year warranty. For sales, call us at +91 72 020 21999 or email sales@multipromachines.com. Visit our website www.multipromachines.com. Launch